Hi guys, it's me again, Erica, with another Target beauty box. This is all the masks, so this one will not be that long. All the masks, and sure enough, it's all masks. If you want, I will be posting pictures of all these boxes with all the products together. The daily goodie box, these 4 Target boxes on my Instagram as well at EricaLOL95 on Instagram. Okay. Ooh, and a coupon for a St. Ives mask. It says Hello Radiance. The first mask will be the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Hydrating Mask. 100% hydrogel mask with hyaluronic acid, I believe is what it's called. It's got the step-by-step instructions on the back. I've never had anything by Neutrogena, so I'm kind of excited. All right. The next one is Mask Bar Luminizing Charcoal Peel-Off Mask. Detoxifies and purifies. I don't know where that light is coming from, but there you go. The next one is Yes 2 Carrots Nutrition Boosting for Depleted Skin Vitamin Enriched Kale Paper Mask. I've never tried some of these Yes 2 products. If y'all have, let me know which masks are better in the bottom and in the comment section. That would be awesome. It's 100% vegan. Okay, this one is Multi-Mask Pack by Kay Bella. And the first one is Repair for the T-Zone. The second one is Perfect Cheeks. And the third one is Nourish for the Under Eyes. So one's for your T-Zone, one's for your cheeks, and one's for your under eyes. That is so cute. I like that. And now the last one is St. Ives Soothing Sheet Mask in Oatmeal. Which oatmeal is supposed to be really good for your skin. Soft, gently soothes for soft, supple skin. Paraben-free, dermatologist tested 100% cotton. I am so sorry. This is going to be a short video. There wasn't that many masks in here. But for $7, I believe probably this Neutrogena one, if you buy more than one, is probably more than $7. But I only got one. But put all these together, and I'm pretty sure it's worth your $7. So I'll let y'all know how these work out on my Instagram, because I always post on my Instagram. Like Garnier sent me a Skin Actives one. Oh my God, it was so great. I loved it. And then I have one from the Cream Shop that is for your eyes, and it's called Caffeine, and it smells like chocolate. Your face smells like chocolate for the whole day after you use it, and it looked like a masquerade ball mask. It was so nice. I think I have them right here. Let me see. I could show them to you since this video was short anyways. This is the cucumber one. This isn't the one I used. It's the Cream Shop cucumber. Then I have... This one worked great too. It kind of, you could tell it was working. Charcoal and lemon sheet mask. And then I have, oh, here it is. I have 3 more. I should have yeah. Still have the one I got from Target before that looks like a tiger. Animals. Under eye pads by Precision Beauty. These work great. And then this is the one. This is the one. It was Caffeine Sheet Mask for your under eyes, and it smells like chocolate. I haven't used the other ones, or I would let you know what they smell like, but I haven't used them yet, so. But thank you for watching. Love you. Bye.